Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Mary. Thanks a lot for clicking. So today I want to show you what I eat in a day, from the time I wake up to the time I go to bed. And immediately I wake up, I make this drink. I call it my power drink, and it has moringa, ginger, mabuyu, honey, and a liter of warm water. The reason I'm taking it with a straw is because I can't stand the taste or the smell of moringa powder. I I don't like it. I don't like it at all. So I take this within an hour as I do other things. So let me show you what I eat next. It's around 11 a.m. and at this time I take some porridge. I add some mabuyu powder by Shishi Naturals, about 2 spoonfuls, and mix, then eat the porridge. I love my porridge thick so that I can use a spoon to eat it. them. So guys, this is my last main meal. This is my supper. It's maize meal, some beef and spinach and some sukuma wiki. So I've been trying to eat my carbs before 3 p.m. It has helped me maintain my weight after delivery. I'll do a separate video on how to maintain your weight. Yeah, I'll do that. So after this, I'll only be taking water, yeah, and maybe one fruit. Then that's it. And funny, like, it's not funny, so I don't feel hungry. Yeah, I usually sleep at around 11, and I still feel full. I think it's because I'm used to eating early, so it's not a problem. So tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about my today's video. What do you eat in a day? I would love to know that. Tell me which other video you'd like me to do. I really love maize meal and some greens. And I love big bites. I do. Until next time, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Bye.